How to change Steam username. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Now starting off, you need to launch a Steam in your device. Now usually to change your username or play a tag, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure that you're logged in first. Then head over to your user icon, which is at the very top. Then head to your account details. Now right under your account info, you would see the option of edit your player ID. However, the Steam username cannot be changed in your Steam. So if we go ahead and open up the Steam help and support in another browser, we would find similar articles related to it. You can search for help.steampowered.com, then head to the very bottom of this page. In this search bar, you can go ahead and search for the Steam username change, or you can just type in Steam ID change. Then you will find articles related to it. And as you can see, your Steam ID and Steam account name cannot be changed, even by Steam support staff members. However, you can change your player name whenever you want to. Hopefully, you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.